Welcome to Daily News Update. I'm Petty Officer Latrice Ames. The Navy has played an active part in accomplishing the mission of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA. Navy pilots helped NASA face the challenge of putting a man on the moon.
2, 1, 0, all engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
On July 16, 1969, a Saturn V rocket left the Earth carrying Apollo 11 mission commander and ex-naval aviator Neil Armstrong, lunar module pilot Edwin Buzz Aldrin, and command module pilot Michael Collins. They began the monumental flight toward the moon. 4 days later, on July 20th, the lunar module Eagle came gently down on the surface of the moon in an area called the Sea of Tranquility.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Neil Armstrong stepped off the ladder onto the powdery surface, becoming the first human to walk on another celestial body.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The entire world stopped and watched this historical event unfold. Buzz Aldrin joined him, and the two astronauts began exploring, collecting samples, and planting an American flag. Then they lifted off and docked with their command module Columbia, piloted by Michael Collins. On July 24th, the astronauts splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. Navy helicopters from USS Hornet recovered the astronauts and the space capsule. Due to fears of contamination, the astronauts were placed in a portable quarantine trailer, but were still welcomed personally by President Richard Nixon. The accomplishments of Neil Armstrong and the Apollo 11 team continue to inspire Navy service members to join NASA flight crews today. For the Naval Media Center, I'm Petty Officer Latrice Ames.